Okay, what we have here is an Omal hinge boring and inserting machine that will drill the holes and then insert the hinges into a bloom style hinge system. You have stops with flip ups for drilling both sides. You would set your stop up here for drilling whatever this dimension is here, adjustable by you. Flip that up, flip this down for drilling the dimension from this corner. And of course you would have a spoil board screwed onto this surface here. Back here you have your adjustment back and forth that will set the dimension away from the edge of the door that your bit will drill. And there's actually a drill head down here that has 3 spindles, one for the cup and then 2 for the screw holes. And as far as operating it, you would turn the power on, air powered. If you push this now with the power on, we're going to drill the holes. So as it starts to drop down, you will hear the motor start up. Then you would flip, go to the other side, do it again. So for inserting your hinges, you'd have the motor off, you'd have a stack of doors that are already drilled, you'd leave your stops where they were, use them in the same way, either up against the right or the left for your spacing from the edge of the door either side, and you'd insert your hinges into this fixture here. Is magnetic. Drop your hinge, drop that down, insert the hinge, flip that up, whichever side you had done, you'd flip up your stop, go to the other side, insert the hinge,